So we are beginning with the topic trigonometric identity. So there are three trigonometric identities: sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So let's begin with the proof. We have the diagram. So we'll consider theta as one of these angles, and this is 90 degree obviously. We'll consider adjacent side as A, hypotenuse as H, opposite side as B. We'll consider triangle ABC, right angled at B. So we'll begin with describing the triangle in triangle, or consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC, right angled at B. Right. So we just do this, and this is your opposite, and this is your adjacent. And I have written here sine of theta is B by H, opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is A by H, so on and so forth, because you guys already know it. So I just listed, with respect to this triangle, I've listed the trigonometric ratios. Now, the next step is, as angle B is 90 degree, we have as per Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to a square plus b square. This is as per Pythagorean theorem, right? We'll call this as equation 1. So the very first expression, you can get it by dividing, dividing equation 1 divided by h square. If I do this, let's see what happens. H square by h square will be 1 is equal to a square by h square plus b square by h square. So h square by h square is 1 is equal to a by h the whole square plus b by h the whole square, right? But what is a by h? A by h is cos. So 1 is equal to cos square theta plus b by h is sine. Sine square theta. So cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. That's your first identity. Very simple, right? Pythagoras theorem, divide the Pythagoras theorem by h square, or you'll see you'll divide with other things and you'll get the identities. So the next identity we can obtain by dividing with something else. So take the first equation, divided with, say, a square. Okay, so you'll get h square by a square is equal to a square by a square. Nothing happens to, this will cancel, and b square by a square. So nothing happens to this. So here we have h by a the whole square. Here something happens, and that is 1. It becomes 1, and b by a the whole square. Now, what is hypotenuse by adjacent? Hypotenuse by adjacent is secant theta. So this basically becomes secant square theta is equal to 1 plus b by a. What is b by a? B is opposite by adjacent, tan theta. So this is tan square theta. And you have your second derivation done. As simple as that. Now, the third one is divide equation 1 with what? Yes, b square. So h square by b square is equal to a square by b square and b square by b square. We'll rewrite this as h by b the whole square is equal to a by b the whole square plus 1. H by b is what? H by b is cosecant square theta. It's inverse of sine, right? A by b is cot square theta plus 1. And thus you have all the three identities. Very simple. You just need the diagram, Pythagoras theorem to get all of these answers. So many people try to by heart it and they keep forgetting it. They forget it. Learn the derivation. It's very simple, right? Switch off your video or pause it and try to derive it now itself. It's very simple. You saw it. Yes, provided you know this. If you don't know this, just copy this part. Okay, this part, the trigonometric ratios. Copy the diagram and do the derivation on your own. You will get it 100%. I'm sure of it. I've seen kids doing it. So you too are those set of kids and you too can do it. So pause the video and try it out. Okay, so now pause the video and have a look at this set of derivations. Compare it with this, your notes and my notes. I'm sure most of you would have got the same set of writing.